Welcome everyone. Life in Motion Vlogs is back with you with another adventure today. Unfortunately, I was not able to come for few days, and as you can see, I haven't posted any video because I was out of the town due to work. So, if I'm at work, it's very hard to shoot my own videos. So today's adventure is, before I start with my new adventure, once again, please don't make me repeat again and again. Keep liking my videos, share as much as possible, and we need to reach 200 subscribers. For those 160 subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing my video and my channel. Don't wait, click the subscribe button right now. So today's adventure, we are going to a place called Ballarat. So it's approximately around 120 kilometers from Melbourne. So the specialty of this place or this town, it's pretty much an olden town. So we're just going there to adventure or to visit some of the kids friendly places. So they can be, you will see more in my coming video. So until then, keep waiting. So I'll take you to this new place called Ballarat. After a long drive of 45 minutes, now we have taken the first stop. It's just to have lunch. So we are at a place right now which is on the way to Ballarat. It's called Ballan West. So this is the only place where you can take your lunch break. But unfortunately, there's no other option to choose fast food other than the normal food. So again, we're just, I think, around 30 minutes more to drive to Ballarat. So wait for more videos. We've reached at this spot called Lake Venduri. Unfortunately, you can see I'm just inside a hut-shaped structure because it started raining. As I always tell you, weather in Melbourne is unpredictable. So it was a nice weather, it was sunny, but as soon as we reached here, it started raining. So let me show you a glimpse of this area. We have reached at a tram museum. So a tram museum, it's open for the public. I assume it's a free entry area. museum. It's a free entry area, so just going to explore the Tram museum. And again, it's a good spot for the kids. So all these things you can see here, and that's why we have come to Ballarat. Now if you can see, look at the clouds. Again, it's not raining. So this is what you need to be always prepared when you are in Melbourne. How long is it?
Full trip takes about 20 minutes.
Okay.
There's one out there now, so it'll be another probably 10 minutes before it's ready.
So then we'll...
Oh, this is the tram, is it?
That's the train there.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Sure.
Okay, perfect.
No worries.
Thank you. So these are the old trams. So again, this is parked here because this has reached end of life. So they have used it at the museum. Let me show you some videos. Very nice. Again, this is good for the kids, so it's very informative for them. Of course, they should know about the olden methods of transportation. Nowadays, we are in an era of electric vehicles. While I was a student, I always used to travel in trams and trains. Now, time for our tram ride. It's a free 20 minutes ride. So they've already made the announcement, so we are on the way.
Get yourself comfy.
Thank you. This tram ride, I feel like I'm still a student. While I was a student, as I said, I always used to travel on tram. And again, this is an olden tram, but it gets your old memories back. So I just want my child also to experience this, and that's why we selected this venue. It's So as I said, it's a 20 minutes ride where it takes you through certain areas inside Ballarat. And as you can see, again, people are all out because the rains have stopped. So let's see how it goes.
You can see the pole at the top here with the little metal trolley wire that connects to the wire.
Yes.
Now we always connect to the left-hand wire relevant to our direction of travel.
Okay.
So when we went up, it was the far side, and coming back, it's on this side.
Okay.
So I'm going to plug it back in again. You go in the other direction.
So now we're changing the tracks.
We switch the tracks over, points bar in, and that'll send us on the straight section rather than into the museum. When we come back, we switch again to run into the museum.
Great. Thank you.
And those steam ones were not unlike small trains. There was a little locomotive that was steam powered, it stoked the coal.
Okay.
Had a chimney and a boiler, which was terribly hot for the one they improved in the summer months. Not something designed for the Australian climate.
Okay, no.
But they bought them from the northern United States, where they often have cold weather, and as a result, they thought, oh, we'll run them in winter, we'll cope with the gradients, because the batteries went flat too quick for the grades they were running on. So that's when they brought in the steam cars, and they operated from 1892 through till 1903.
Okay. So,
In 1907, they electrified the line, and it operated until close in September of 1971.
so now when we reached at the last stop, we did something.
Yes.
pulled something.
Now, when we get into, you haven't actually, I'll show you when we get into the next place, which is another change to do.
Okay.
And we can get out and have a look, so that a change to do. There's a pole on top that connects us to a wire, to a metal trolley wheel in it. The switch is over in the tram to reverse the polarity in the motors, and the tram still takes the power off the overhead. It's not necessarily flowing in any given direction in the wire, it's just a live wire. And we can draw power off that. And how we choose to direct that depends on how the switches are set in the tram.
So that means during those times there should be a tram driver and a conductor who checks the ticket but also has to do all this
We do
manual.
the poles and switch the points. A pleasure.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, James.
Thank you.
Thank you for the ride
Did you enjoy it?
and for the information.
No, no trouble at all.
Thank you.
There's plenty more inside.
You have enjoyed my visit to the Ballarat Tram Museum. Once again, thank you so much for liking this video. Share as much as possible. Life in Motion Vlogs will be back to you with another adventure. Until then, stay safe, take care, see you later.